Hi, I'm Dr. Shruti Tannan. I'm a plastic surgeon in Raleigh, North Carolina in private practice. And I wanted to explain the answer to a question I get a fair amount, which is what's the difference between regular liposuction and minimally invasive liposuction? The answer is really simple. There's no difference. It's the same thing. Liposuction by definition is minimally invasive, whereas in comparison, a tummy tuck is maximally invasive. It's where we cut open your skin, lift it up, repair the muscles, and then cut off the extra skin and sew you closed. Whereas with liposuction, the access incisions that we're making are not, a big long scar that goes from hip to hip, but rather it's a tiny little incisions placed in areas where we can access that deep fat that lies above your muscles, but underneath the superficial layer of your skin and fascia. There's really no such thing as making that any less invasive than it is. So liposuction by definition is minimally invasive. Now there are other things you can do with liposuction that are true and that are not like gimmicky, like the phrase minimally invasive liposuction I would call like a marketing gimmick. But you can do things like laser, vaser, ultrasound, radio frequency, which is what we use in my practice to tighten the skin at the time of liposuction in people who need it. Not everyone needs that, so we're not gonna do more procedures unnecessarily. So I think this kind of illustrates why it's important to see someone who knows what they're doing. So I recommend seeing a board certified plastic surgeon for your aesthetic procedures to your body, because they're the people that know whether or not you need more aggressive maneuvers to handle the skin laxity that can come from emptying your fat compartments, or if they know that you have really good skin laxity and you don't need additional tightening measures, versus someone else saying your problem's actually in your skin and not even in the fat layer, so we should remove your skin. And in those situations, a minimally invasive procedure such as liposuction is not going to get rid of loose skin that you can pinch at your belly, so that person might need a tummy tuck rather than a liposuction. So anyway, I just wanted to clarify that for once and for all of you, because this phrase minimally invasive liposuction that I'm seeing everywhere is just garbage. Anyway, so follow us for more tips. Thanks.